Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be telling you how I personally shave my face and do my eyebrows at home very easily. So if you're a beginner at shaving or you do not know how to groom and shape your eyebrows, then you've landed in the right video. Please keep on watching to know how I like to shave my face and trim my eyebrows at home. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video, before which please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. Let's get started. So I have been shaving my face for over 2 years now, and I've never really encountered any skin issues because of shaving. It has worked out so well for me, and my makeup feels like a little bit more smoother. It goes on a little bit more smoother if I shave my face. So let's get started. Let's see what are the things you need first to shave your face. So the first thing is obviously a razor, and this razor is not your Venus or Gillette razor. This is going to be your eyebrow razor. This is by Miniso. So this is the razor I've been currently using to shave my face. And I also have Tinkle razor. Just hold up, let me get it for you. So these razors are by the brand called Tinkle, and I have used this in the past and I've got it again. So I haven't really opened this up. I've been using the Miniso razor for a really long time now, and once that's like completely gone, I would open this pack. So these razors are also good. This is by the brand Tinkle and it's pretty affordable as well. I guess I got all 3 of them for like 150 rupees or something. You can find this on Amazon and on Nykaa. So that's the first thing you need. The next thing is an aloe vera gel. I personally like this one. This is by Wow Skin Science. The other aloe vera gels that I like are by the brand Body Cupid, and yeah, that's the 2 aloe vera gels that I constantly use, that and the Wow aloe vera gel. So this is a 99% pure aloe vera gel. This is basically soothing your skin, kind of heal your skin after you shave, because shaving can be an exfoliating process as well. When you shave your face, you're exfoliating your skin as well. It can get a little abrasive sometimes, so to cool that down, to soothe your skin, to calm your skin down, basically you need an aloe vera gel that you can use kind of like an aftershave or something. And the next thing are some tissues. Obviously if you want to wipe down the hair of your razor and all that, you need some tissues. And for eyebrows you need an eyebrow tweezer or a just tweezer. This one is by Color Bar. This is the eyebrow tweezer that I've been using. I personally like this one because it does not have that really sharp edge that most tweezers have, so it's a little harmless, I would say. So this is something that you need if you're doing your eyebrows. So let's start with shaving our face. My face is quite clean, and I applied aloe vera gel in the morning, which is completely sunken into my skin. So my skin is kind of a little bit on the drier side right now. That's how I would like to go in with my razor. I do not like to moisturize or put any aloe vera gel on before I shave my face. So I just like to go on and shave my face like when it's dry itself. So I'm going to keep my mirror a little bit closer, and I'm going to hold the razor like that, slanting, and I'm going to shave it downwards, because the hair growth is obviously downwards and you want to follow the direction of your hair growth, and do not go opposite side like you shave your body on the opposite side, right? Don't do that for your face. Just keep going on the direction of your hair growth, because you can really harm your skin if you do the opposite side. Can be a little harsh. So I'm going to just hold my hair back like that, and I'm going to look into the mirror, and I'm going to just start shaving. So like you can see, the hair has started to come off. So just go in with gentle strokes. Do not be abrasive, do not be harsh. So this side of my face is done, and I'm going to move on to this side, and then we'll go to this area. On my upper lip area, I do not have that much hair. I just have like a very tiny amount that I'm going to shave off. So I'm going to do this, and you can watch it. So I'm going to do that and then try and shave off the hair. focusing. There's like so much hair that came off. So I'm going to wipe that on my tissue paper here. Just going to wipe it off and then move on to the rest of my face. And I'm going to do my sides of my eyebrows, and then I'm going to move on to my forehead as well. So you want to be really careful when you're going near your eyebrows, because you do not want to remove any hair that you don't want to be removing. So just be real little. So while I am at it, I like to give like a nice hairline shape to my hair as well. So I'm going to be removing this excess bunch of hair that's right here. So I'm going to repeat the same thing on this side as well. So now I've finished shaving my face. I'm going to get onto my eyebrows. I'm first going to shave a little bit like around my eyebrows, like this part here and this part here where I have a little bit of hair. So I'm going to shave that off and tweeze off the rest. So let's see what I'm doing right now. So the next thing we're going to be doing is tweezing off the excess eyebrow hair. Like like you can see here, I have some excess right here. I'm just gonna hold it and just pull it out using this pair of tweezers that I have. Just remove any hair that's not framing your eyebrows correctly. So just trim that off. You can see the difference between this eyebrow and this eyebrow. So this eyebrow has no stray hairs, but this one has like hair like right here and stuff like that. So this looks more groomed than this one, except that we've got a little bit of trimming to do that we'll do later on. I'll do this eyebrow and I'll be right back. And the next bit is going to be this area. Wherever I have like in this inner part, if I have some extra, I'm going to trim that off. That's done. We're going to be trimming off the excess hair that has grown, for which I need a spoolie. Let me get it. So this is a random eyebrow pencil that has a spoolie on one side. I'm going to push my hair upwards like that. So once I do that, I'll be able to see which hair is like grown too much, and I'm going to cut that off with a pair of scissors. So that part on the front side had like extra hair. Just be very careful while doing this. You do not want to trim off like all of the hair. It's going to look funny. So like you can see, I've trimmed off the hair in the front section and it looks so much better than this. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side as well. So this is how my eyebrows look up close. So as you can see, it's neat and all the stray hair has been removed and it looks pretty good than it did before. So the last step is gonna be applying aloe vera gel so that it nourishes and calms your skin a little bit, because shaving can be abrasive, and as you did see in the close-up clips that my skin turned a little bit red and irritated. So just to calm that down, I'm going to be taking a little bit of this aloe vera gel from Wow, and then I'm going to be applying it onto my face. Just going to tap it onto my face and also my eyebrows. So that's my shaving routine complete. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please share, comment, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time in another interesting video. Until then, take care. Tata. Bye-bye.